Good afternoon. Myself, Professor Dr. Icha Purak. Today I want to discuss structure of mitochondria. In this discussion, shape, size, and number of mitochondria, structure of mitochondria, including outer membrane, inner membrane, intermembranous space, matrix, chemical composition of mitochondria, etc., will be included. Now, mitochondria, a membrane-bound organelle in cytoplasm of almost all eukaryotic cells, cells with clearly defined nuclei, the primary function of which is to generate large quantities of energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate. Mitochondria are oxygen-consuming, rod-shaped organelles of immense importance, floating free throughout the cell. They are known as powerhouse of the cell, since these organelles supply all the necessary biological energy to the cell by oxidizing the available food substrates. Mitochondria are abundantly found on those sites of cell where more energy is required, such as sperm tail, muscle cell, liver cell, microvilli, etc. Now about the shape, size and number of mitochondria. Mitochondria can be seen under high power of light microscope by using specific vital stain genus green. Commonly, mitochondria appear rod-shaped, are about 2 micrometer to 3 micrometer in higher plant cells. Shape of mitochondria undergoes considerable change as they move around by cytoplasmic streaming. They are sometimes globular, cylindrical, or branched, and sometimes split into portions or fuse with one another. When globular, have diameter 0.5 to 1.5 micrometer, and when cylindrical 6 to 8 micrometer in length. In some cases, oval mitochondria range in size from 0.5 to 10 micrometer. The number of mitochondria in a cell depend on the type and functional state of the cell. It varies from cell to cell and from species to species. Cells with higher cellular activity and high energy requirement contain large number of mitochondria. Less active cells possess fewer mitochondria. The number of mitochondria for a given cell is fixed per unit volume, 1/5 of the cytoplasm. Typically, there are about 2000 mitochondria per cell, representing around 25% of the cell volume. Mitochondria are often concentrated in more active regions of the cell where energy requiring process takes place. Number of mitochondria in amoeba are about 50,000. In rat liver cells, about 1,000 to 1,600. Sea urchin eggs contain about 14,000 to 15,000 mitochondria per cell. Some oocytes contain as many as 3 lakh or even more mitochondria. Human oocytes contain 1 lakh to 3 lakh mitochondria per cell. but each mitochondrion contains only one copy of mitochondrial DNA. The green plant cells possess less number of mitochondria in comparison to animal cells. Since chloroplast in mesophyll cells can also synthesize ATP by photophosphorylation. Some algal cells and trypanosoma contain only one mitochondrion. The number of mitochondria per cell varies widely. In human red blood cells, there is no mitochondria, whereas liver and muscle cells may contain hundreds or even thousands. The only eukaryotic organism known to lack mitochondria is oxymonad, Monocercomonidis species. Now let us see the structure of mitochondria. Now, as we all know that mitochondria is meant for production of energy. It is a very fine organism. The fine structure of a mitochondrion can change in different cells of a tissue at different stages of development or in the different physiological conditions. Mitochondria are surrounded by double membranous envelope of phospholipid bilayer and protein, as we will see it in the next slide by figure 1. If outer membrane of mitochondria is removed, then structure is called mitoplast. Two mitochondrial membranes have different permeability properties. The outer membrane is smooth, freely permeable to low molecular weight compounds and number of proteins, whereas inner membrane is impermeable to many ions, low molecular weight compounds and proteins, and possess specific transmembranous transport system. Both mitochondrial membranes are very rich in proteins. Outer membrane has more phospholipids, phosphatidylcholine and cholesterol as compared to inner membrane. Phospholipid in inner membrane is mainly diphosfatidylglycerol, that is cardiolipin. Now this slide shows the diagrams illustrating the structure of mitochondria. The outer membrane has 3 times higher lipid content than inner membrane and has a totally different component of enzymes, some of which are identical to endoplasmic reticulum. Each membrane is 60 to 75 Armstrong thick and is separated by 80 to 100 Armstrong thick perimitochondrial space, having enzymes required for oxidation of fats and pyruvic acid. Outer surface of inner membrane is called C phase or cytoplasmic phase, while the inner surface is called as M phase or matrix phase. Now the diagram shows the outer membrane, inner membrane which is folded inwards into peg-like projections which are known as cristae. Outer membrane is smooth. The two membranes are separated by intermembrane space and the inner membrane encloses the matrix. In matrix, ribosomes, DNA and other substances are present. Mitochondrion has an outer and inner membrane. Inner membrane contains numerous folds called cristae which increase its surface area. The space between two membranes is called intermembrane space. The space inside the inner membrane is called the mitochondrial matrix. ATP synthesis takes place on the inner membrane. Outer membrane is quite smooth, 6 to 7.5 nanometer thick, having some pores. It has protein phospholipid ratio 1:1 as that of plasma membrane. It contains large number of integral membrane proteins called porins. Porins allow small molecules less than 5,000 Dalton to be exchanged between the cytoplasm and intermembranous space. Now the mitochondrion is viewed under transmission electron microscope, showing the outer membrane, inner membrane, infoldings of inner membrane cristae. The space between two membranes is intermembranous space, and the fluid enclosed by inner membrane is known as mitochondrial matrix. Some sessile particles attached to outer membrane are known as subunits of person. Outer membrane of mitochondria is similar in structure to gram-negative bacterial membrane. Larger proteins can enter the mitochondria if a signaling sequence at their N-terminus binds to translocase, a large multi-subunit protein present in outer membrane, which then actively moves them across the membrane. Outer membrane contains certain important enzymes as monoamine oxidase, roten 1 insensitive NADH cytochrome C reductase, kynurenine hydroxylase, and fatty acid coenzyme ligase. The mitochondrial outer membrane can associate with endoplasmic reticulum membrane in a structure called MAM, or mitochondria associated endoplasmic reticulum membrane. This is important in the endoplasmic reticulum mitochondria calcium signaling and is involved in the transfer of lipids between the endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria. Now about the intermembranous space. The outer mitochondrial membrane is separated from the inner mitochondrial membrane by a intermembranous or perimitochondrial space which is 6 to 10 nanometer wide. It has some same composition as that of cell cytoplasm. Intermembranous space continues with the intracristae space. It contains cytochrome C, adenylate kinase, and nucleoside diphosphokinase enzymes. Now about the mitochondrial inner membrane. It contains proteins with 3 types of functions: specific transport proteins that regulate passage of metabolites and in and out of mitochondrial matrix, ATP synthase enzyme complex which generates ATP in the matrix, proteins of electron transport chain for redox reactions. Inner membrane is rich in phospholipid, cardiolipin, but does not have cholesterol. The inner mitochondrial membrane is rich in many enzymes, coenzymes, and other components of electron transport chain. Inner membrane is completely impermeable to all molecules, even small molecules, with exception of carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water. It also contains protein pumps and many permease proteins for the transport of various molecules such as citrates, ADP, phosphate, and ATP. Numerous transporters in the inner membrane ensure import and export of important metabolites. Proteins are transported to the matrix via translocase of inner membrane, TIM or TIM complex. Now about the cristae. The inner mitochondrial membrane gives out finger or plate-like outgrowths. Crista singular, cristae plural, or crests towards the lumen or matrix of mitochondria. Palade 1952 coined the term cristae for these infoldings of inner membrane. The cristae may be unbranched or branched, forming a complex network which provides access to the respiratory enzymes. The cristae are tubular in shape, having a narrow neck extending into a globular or plate-like expansion. Inner membrane is folded differently. These foldings are tubular in plants, are known as tubuli or microvilli, crest-like in animals. In some mitochondria, intermediary type of foldings are seen, as for example in fungi, cristae are plate-like, while in Euglena, cristae are vesicle-shaped. Mitochondria from cells that have a greater demand for ATP, such as muscle cells, contain more cristae. Regarding to location of electron transport chain and ATP synthase enzyme, there are different views and concepts. We will see first the according to old concept and then according to modern concept. According to old concept, the cristae bear stalked particles, respiratory particles or oxysomes extending into the matrix. The particles are present at constant distance, having a spherical head, stalk and base. The particles carry out the electron transport chains as complexes 1, 2, 3 and 4. The spherical head of particles contain ATPase or coupling factor or F1 particle, which again has a stalk and head, transports protons for creating proton gradient, which facilitates ATP synthesis. According to modern concept, the components of respiratory electron transport chain are directly built into inner membrane or infoldings of inner membrane or cristae as structural units and occupy about 10% area of inner membrane in the form of 4 complexes. It contains NADH dehydrogenase, flavoproteins, succinic dehydrogenase, ubiquinone, cytochrome B and C, cytochrome A and A3, cytochrome oxidase as final electron acceptor. Inner mitochondrial membrane as well as cristae contain, along with components of electron transport chain, the ATPase enzyme or coupling factor or F1 F0 stalk particles involved in synthesizing ATP. That we will see in the next slide by figure 3 and 4. The proteins of electron transport chain are embedded in the inner mitochondrial membrane or cristae membrane, actually traversing the lipid bilayer and protruding from the inner and outer surface. Now in this slide we can see by figure 3 the structure of inner mitochondrial membrane, which expands as peg-like projection or cristae, and on it the various components of electron transport chain are embedded directly along with ATPase enzyme. Now figure 4 again shows the complexes 1, 2, 3, 4, which are embedded in the mitochondrial membrane, and ubiquinone, cytochrome C, etc., along with ATP synthase enzyme, which unites ATP with phosphate to form ADP. Intercrystal space is the space enclosed by cristae. It is continuous with intermembranous space. Now let us see about matrix. Inner mitochondrial membrane encloses a finely granular, dense, highly proteinaceous matrix. The matrix is generally homogeneous but contains some fibrillar or nucleoid and filamentous structure. Matrix contains two types of electron-dense particles, ribosomes and calcium-containing granules consisting of calcium phosphate. The mitochondrial ribosome, that is 70S, are smaller than cytoplasmic ribosomes, having two subunits 30S and 50S. 30S contains only one ribosomal RNA, that is 16S, and 50S contains two ribosomal RNAs, 5S and 23S. All ribosomal RNAs are coded by mitochondrial DNA. Both subunits of mitoribosome contain considerable number of proteins, majority of which are coded by nuclear genes. Mitochondria of mammals have 55S ribosomes. The matrix contains a highly concentrated mixture of hundreds of enzymes, mitoribosomes, transfer RNAs, and several copies of mitochondrial DNA genome. The mitochondrial matrix contains all the enzymes for citric acid cycle and for oxidation of fatty acid except flavoprotein and succinic dehydrogenase, which are bound to inner surface of inner membrane or cristae. Colloidal or gel-like matrix of mitochondria contains soluble enzymes in Krebs cycle which completely oxidized acetyl coenzyme A to produce CO2, H2O, colloidal or gel-like matrix of mitochondria contains soluble enzymes of Krebs cycle which completely oxidize acetyl coenzyme A to produce carbon dioxide, water and hydrogen ions which reduce NAD and FAD, both of which pass on hydrogen ions to respiratory or electron transport chain where oxidative phosphorylation takes place to generate energy-rich ATP molecules. Mitochondria contains several copies, 2 to 6, of circular histone-free DNA similar to bacterial DNA in shape, but smaller molecules having about 15,000 to 75,000 base pairs. Mitochondria have their own genetic material and machinery to manufacture their own RNAs and proteins. About 100 or more proteins are present in mitochondria, majority of which are coded by nuclear genes. Since mitochondria can synthesize 10% of their proteins by their own protein synthetic machinery, they are considered as semi-autonomous organelles. Each enzyme DNA polymerase is found in matrix. It shows that mitochondrial DNA is independently synthesized in mitochondria. Mitochondrial DNA carries information for synthesis of only 30 proteins required in mitochondria. But this is not enough to build all the proteins required to make a new mitochondria. Therefore, for rest of proteins, it has to depend upon nuclear DNA, cytoplasmic enzymes, and other molecules supplied by the cell. Krebs cycle enzymes, electron carriers, and outer membrane elements are synthesized by the cytoplasmic nuclear protein synthesizing system. The proteins of matrix and inner membrane are synthesized by both nuclear and mitochondrial genome. Human mitochondrial DNA has been sequenced, which reveals 16,569 base pairs encoding in total 37 genes, of which 22 code for transfer RNAs, 2 for ribosomal RNA, and 13 for peptides needed in the electron transport chain. Mitochondrial DNA is rich in guanine cytosine content. Now about the chemical composition of mitochondria. Mitochondria contain 65 to 70% proteins, 25 to 30% lipid, 0.5% RNA, and small amounts of DNA in matrix. Proteins and lipids make about 80 to 99% of the organelle. The important lipids present are lecithins, cephalins, cholesterol, and cardiolipin. The inner membrane possesses more of unsaturated fatty acids in the lipids. Proteins are also abundant in the inner membrane and act as electron carriers. In the matrix of mitochondria, ribosomes are present, which are diverse in size, having two subunits, smaller subunit and larger subunit. Mitoribosomes consist of several specific proteins and less ribosomal RNAs. Mammalian mitochondrial mitoribosomes are 55S particles having two subunits, 28S and 39S, as given by Grieber 2015. Mitochondria also has a number of enzymes in the outer membrane, very mitochondrial space, inner membrane, and matrix. Enzymes of DNA replication, that is DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, and amino acid activating enzymes are also present. The mitochondrial DNA differs from nuclear DNA and resembles bacterial DNA. Mitochondrial DNA is extrachromosomal DNA. Mitochondrial genes cause cytoplasmic or maternal inheritance. Now this slide shows in the form of table the enzymes which are distributed in the outer membrane, perimitochondrial space, inner membrane, and mitochondrial matrix. In mitochondrial matrix, mostly the enzymes required for Krebs cycle are present. Now with this, I will come to summarize, and I have mentioned the books consulted, and also the references taken from which the material has been prepared. Now, in the next class, I will try to discuss mitochondrial genome, and in the subsequent classes we will see the functions of mitochondria. In every discussion we will go forward. Now I would like to end the today's presentation and thank you all